Seasons of the year. There are 5 seasons in a year. First, spring. Second, summer. Third, rainy. Fourth, autumn. Fifth, winter. First, spring. Now we will see information about spring season. Let's start. Spring is a season after winter and before summer. It is a season of new beginnings. Time period. Spring is from mid-February to mid-April in India. Seasonal clothes. Fabric like cotton are used in the spring season. What will happen when spring comes? Have you noticed a big change in the nature? When spring comes, the air gets warmer, plants bloom, trees grow green, new leaves and branches appear. Creatures like hedgehogs, grass snakes, bears, and raccoons appear in the spring season. And insects like ladybugs, bees, and butterflies appear in the spring season. Many animals give birth in the spring, including deer, squirrels, and foxes, etc. Spring fruits. Spring fruits are strawberries, apricots, pineapples, and cherries. Spring vegetables. Spring vegetables are peas, beans, spinach, lettuce, and carrots. Welcome to the summer season. The summer season starts soon after the Holi festival. It starts from March to June. It is the hottest season of the year. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During the summer season, days are brighter, longer, and nights are short. It is time when people visit cooler places and hill stations. Kids are happy in summer because they get opportunity to go for picnic. Picnics offer much needed break from the regular school routine, allowing kids to relax and recharge. People use coolers, air conditioners, and fans to keep the surrounding cool. The atmosphere in the evening is ideal for outdoor activities like playing, cycling, etc. What to wear in summer? We normally wear light color cotton clothes. Due to heat, we sweat a lot. So cotton is the best clothes as cotton is good absorber of water. The summer season is best for farming and growing crops. Summer heat plays an important role in the development of crops. Summer fruits include pineapple, watermelon, guava, cherry, lychee, mango, muskmelon, etc. Summer vegetables include cucumbers, brinjals, capsicums, pumpkins, and tomatoes. What are the precautions to be taken during summer? Apply sunscreen on our body. Eat lot of summer fruits as they provide good amount of water. Get the right gear. Wear sunglasses with 100% UV protection. Avoid the heat. Avoid outdoor activity between 10 am to 4 pm when the sun rays are the most intense. Drinking water and staying hydrated is more important for your health. Third, rainy season. Now we will see information about rainy season. The rainy season is the most welcome as children wait for a long time to play in the rain after the heat of the summer season. Rain is a liquid water in the form of droplets from clouds. Rainy season is also known as monsoon. It starts from June to September in India. In this season, trees get a new shine, flowers bloom, and gardens become green. This season makes environment cooler and pleasant. We can see rainbow during rainy season. Ponds and rivers filled with new water. Children play with their paper boats. Rainy creatures, snakes, snails, earthworms, frogs, caterpillars, etc., can be seen during rainy season. Our national bird, peacocks, dance in the rain, especially during the monsoon season. This season is the season of crops and vegetables. It is truly friend of farmers, trees and animals. This season is truly food maker and water creator. Rainy fruits, lychees, peaches, plums, guavas and pomegranates are available in the rainy season. Rainwater is natural source of water for life on the earth. Save water by utilizing rainwater. You can place plastic basket outside the house whenever it rains. And then use that water for activities like domestic works, like watering plants, washing utensils, field irrigation, and agriculture. What are the precautions to be taken during rainy season? Wash hands before meals. Do not play in the stagnant water because mosquitoes can spread illness like malaria, dengue, typhoid, cold, cough, etc. Fourth, autumn season. Now we will see information about autumn season. Autumn is also called fall season. It's the season when leaves fall off trees and the weather transitions from summer to winter. Time period between the month of September and October. Autumn fruits, apples, bananas, kiwis, oranges are available in autumn seasons. Autumn creatures, red squirrels, red foxes, and grey wolves appear in autumn. Fifth, winter. Now we will see information about winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It comes after autumn and before spring. The days are shorter and nights are longer in the winter season. Time period December to January. Some animals live in cold climates like penguins, polar bears, walruses, etc. Seasonal food carrot, spinach, onion, green peas are available in the winter season. Seasonal clothes Sweaters, gloves, jackets, jeans, scarves, socks, shawls, etc. Woolen clothes help to preserve our bodies from cold. Farmers sow rabi crops like wheat, oats, peanuts, and harvested in the spring season in India. Winter creatures, deer, Himalayan black bear, Indian elephant, and Royal Bengal tiger appear in the winter season. Thank you so much for listening.